Battles and violent fighting intensified in Khan Yunis and southern Gaza as heavy shelling, airstrikes and gunfire exchange spread around the city during the ongoing Israeli military offensive, leaving thousands of residents and displaced people encircled by heavy fighting, endured Israeli attacks on UN's facilities where they take shelter, in addition to besieging two significant hospitals, Al-Nasr and Al-Amal, resulting in trapping thousands of wounded people and staff. Meanwhile, the Israeli army demolished hundreds of buildings near its separation fence with Gaza as it seeks to create a buffer zone. On the other part of the Palestinian territories, the Israeli army continues its assaults on the occupied West Bank, detaining 24 Palestinians overnight from Jenin, Ramallah, Hebron, Nablus, Tulkarem and Tubas in violent incursions where it used bulldozers to destroy streets, properties of Palestinians, especially in Jenin, where they shot and killed a young man after besieging his house for hours this morning.